Here's my John Deere 210 that I converted to hydraulic angle. Used it this past winter, it worked great. Need to get some better lighting. But here's what we got going on. I took the factory pin out where you can swivel her. Some guy on eBay was selling these brackets for, I believe, a 318. This here and this. And then I bought a cylinder, had some hoses made, bought the quick couples, drilled some holes and slapped them in. Run my other hydraulic hose all the way up. Got this valve tapped into my pump. And got a joystick for left and right. Bought this last August from a guy I work with. $425. Come with the tractor, the deck, the snow blade, and a tiller. Also a spare motor that I got in there now for $4.25. Thought it was a pretty good deal, and being the hydraulic lift, I jumped on it. Did a few mods to her, and so far it's working great. Also bought the weight bar. I got wheel weights for it too, but I think those are plenty. I'm also currently rebuilding the transmission out of another one. Just gonna redo this one and put it in there. Take out the one that I got in there and rebuild that, and maybe slap it in this. Got a project mower too. This here, it really wasn't too bad. The 3 cluster gear was kind of clustered. It's all ground up on the first one there, and the reverse gear was almost shot. She's been ground many times. Otherwise, everything else looked halfway decent. She's pretty heavy duty. I can't imagine ever shearing one of these off. But yeah, this is the old 210. Need to get this baby hooked up sometime and test it out. Clean her up a little bit. But yeah, I washed this thing up and she looks pretty good. I'd like to get some bar tires for it sometime. Mows real nice. Works real good. But this is the spare motor that I put in there, because the original that was in it threw a rod. I got her in pieces down here. I believe it was already 20 thousandths over, so I think I'm going to try and go 30. If I can't, then I guess I already got one in it, so it don't matter. My plan was to rebuild this one and put it back in there because it's the original, and take the one that's in here out and put it in that 110 that I got sitting out in the boneyard. But yeah, this here, when she blew, it blew big. I took her all apart, and this is what I found. Bunch of pieces laying down in the oil pan. When I was taking the muffler off, I actually found a piece of ring in the muffler too. That shook out. Yeah, I've never seen a rod and piston fly apart like this. And he claims the guy he bought it from, it said it didn't have compression and he didn't know why. Well, Jesus Christ. You think you'd fucking know this. Piece her together for you real quick. Yeah, she's pretty tore up. Yeah, I couldn't believe that. Couldn't figure out why it didn't have compression. But yeah, that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces the rod was in. Piston blew the head off. Cracked the whole side. A couple of the rings are all scored and gone. There's a piece in there yet. You can tell she was hot. She's all blue. So yeah, when I get time, I'll get that all machined up and up to spec. Luckily it didn't crack the head at all. Everything else seemed alright. Bearings I think I'll replace while I get her apart. Cam seems alright. Crank is right on spec. Hardly anywhere. Yeah, that's another project for someday. Gotta get this baby here going sometime. The old Onan generator. Got it all in a bunch of pieces too. So yeah, I'll have to start this baby up sometime for you and take her out and show you how to make your 210 into a hydraulic angle. Thanks for watching, and comment if you'd like, or if you want to see something or have any questions, let me know. Thanks.